Gratitude for friendship and cooperation. This was the center of President Marcos's greetings to Malaysian Prime Minister who's celebrating his birthday. Faith Alves for the news.
President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. extended his birthday greetings to Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim this Sunday. In a video shared by the Presidential Communications Office, President Marcos expressed his gratitude for his friendship with Malaysian Prime Minister Ibrahim. In his message, President Marcos mentioned that the Prime Minister is not just a fellow leader but also a trusted friend whom he can share his experiences with. Additionally, President Marcos said that their friendship and cooperation made their challenges as leaders bearable. President Marcos also praised the unwavering dedication of Prime Minister Ibrahim to leading Malaysia, which serves as an inspiration for leading their respective countries. To end his message, President Marcos remembers their experiences with their families and wishes for more years of friendship and cooperation as nation leaders. This is Faith Alves for EuroTV News.